Howdy all you quarantine people. Hey, I hope you guys are staying safe and washing your hands, okay? That's important. All you gross people out there, I know a few of you. I've seen you in my class. Don't be gross. Wash your hands, okay? So yesterday, I assigned an assignment on Google Classroom. This was going over photosynthesis. The question was, what do corn plants eat for food, right? And all these farmers gave their opinions. And I asked you guys which farmer was the correct one. I saw some wild answers out there, so I just made a video to go over the right answers, to go over photosynthesis, what it needs and what it makes, and to go over cellular respiration. So, right now would be a great time, and I want you to do this, to pause the video, go get a notebook and a pen so you can write this stuff down, okay? I'm gonna wait. I'll wait on you guys. Oh, you're back? Okay, great. Here we go. Okay, photosynthesis review. Boom. On my trusty little whiteboard here. Okay, these are the top 3 answers I saw from you guys the most. We're going to go over them. Some of us said that Farmer Tobias was right, and that they get their food from the soil, and they use soil for food. Some of you guys said that they use chlorophyll for food. That was Farmer Cody. And some of us said that they use sugar for food. Farmer Kohlenberg said that. So there's 3 possible answers that I saw the most. In order to understand what plants eat, we have to know what photosynthesis needs and what it makes. So right now, go ahead and pause the video. And I want on your paper, I want you to write down the 3 things that photosynthesis needs and the 2 things that it makes. So go ahead and pause, write that down. I don't want anybody cheating. Okay, don't cheat. Don't cheat. I mean it, don't cheat. Here's our answers, okay? Photosynthesis needs 6 CO2. Now what the heck is CO2? It's what we blow out, right? That's carbon dioxide. That's what comes out of our mouths. Carbon dioxide is just a gas, okay? It also needs water, H2O, 6 H2O. Like Bobby Boucher, the great water boy, said, that's some high quality H2O. High quality water, right? Also need sunlight. Plants need sunlight to do photosynthesis. We did some experiments before we left, and it shows that plants need sunlight or some kind of light to do photosynthesis, or else they don't do it. Then plants make 6 O2. O2 is just oxygen. That is what we breathe in. I'm thankful that plants make oxygen. We need that. What the heck is this? What is C6H12O6? That's glucose. Okay? Glucose is what we talked about before we left. That is sugar. Why do plants make sugar? It's what they eat. Plants eat sugar. Okay? All plants use a form of sugar for food. So if you agreed with Farmer Kohlenberg that these corn plants eat sugar, you are spot on. Now if you didn't, no worries, it wasn't for a grade, but go back and edit that assignment now to say, hey, Farmer Kohlenberg was the right one. Plants use sugar for food. Now how do they use sugar for food? Well, that's in this other process called cellular respiration. Okay? Plants undergo cellular respiration, and so do we. We don't go through photosynthesis, but we go through cellular respiration. This is what our cells are doing all of the time in our bodies right now. So plants and animals use sugar, that's C6H12 right here, and oxygen. Oh my gosh, that's what plants make, and that's what cellular respiration needs. They're linked. They are linked. It uses this to make 6 carbon dioxide, CO2, and 6 H2O. These 2 things are exactly what plants need to go through photosynthesis. We use this process to make our energy. Plants also use this process to stay alive and make their energy so that they can make more sugar, so that they can do all of this over again. Guys, these 2 processes, photosynthesis and cellular respiration, are linked because they are the exact opposites of each other. But we need both processes in order for plants to stay alive, and this process helps us stay alive. Okay? Where do these two processes happen? There are two parts of the cell where these two processes happen. We're going to go through them. Chloroplast is where photosynthesis happens. Plant cells, and only plant cells. Some of us were confused. Animal cells don't have this. Just plant cells, you people out there. Plant cells, the only ones with chloroplast, and that allows plants to go through photosynthesis. Our cells and plant cells have mitochondria in them. That is where we make our energy through that process of cellular respiration. Okay? Cellular respiration is how we make our energy. So, plants make sugar, and then they eat it through cellular respiration, and they do that. They make sugar and eat it through cellular respiration. They do that to stay alive. They make sugar, and we get our energy from plants, either directly or indirectly, and use that sugar to make energy through cellular respiration. So folks, there's your review on cellular respiration and photosynthesis. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay safe, make wise decisions. That's the way the cookie crumbles.